We've all been there when there's one particular frustrating issue in WordPress that you're trying to solve. You don't even know how it got there. Maybe you installed a plugin and the plugin is not working. I've used the plugin before, but now it's not working at all. Or let's say when you're using Elementor, so when you have edited on the back end and you have updated, you have saved, check the front end and it's not showing as it's supposed to. That's one of the issues that constant. Then let's say you install the plugin is not showing in the plugin list, or it could be a theme. There are a lot of issues that can go, or there are a lot of issues that can happen in WordPress on the dashboard. So today I'm going to be showing you a particular plugin that can help solve basically almost all those plugins as long as you have access to the WordPress dashboard. Because if you don't have access to the WordPress dashboard, then you cannot actually use the plugin. So there are some issues that don't allow you to have access to the WordPress dashboard. You have to go and let's say uninstall or remove all the plugins from your cPanel and other stuff like that. But this one is only works if you have access to the WordPress dashboard. So let's go and install the plugin now. Add new. And name of the plugin is WP Optimize. Okay, so you add space WP space Optimize, and this is it. WP Optimize patch, patch, clean, and compress. What this plugin does is, well, one of the things it does is helps you compress and clean your WordPress database. So you might have done a lot of things on your dashboard. Maybe you have installed plugins, you saw you don't like them, you uninstalled it, you have installed things, you saw you don't like it, you have uninstalled it, you have done plenty of updates. So because of all those things you have done, sometimes WordPress that can cause issues in what because it's like you have just done so many things, everything's now scattered, everything looks like as if but it just happens like that. So this will help you clean it up. It just helps you clean up the database to it's basically like a reset, but it's not reset exactly. So let me just install it now and I'll activate it. So I can click on the optimize here. I can go to the side. Okay, where the magic happens. This is where I can optimize basically everything. And it's not just optimization. So yes, you can optimize the database. It can also clean post revisions and clean auto draft and remove trash pull. Can do a lot of things. So a lot of things that you didn't even know WordPress did to help you clean it up. So since you are removing an issue, you don't have to take backup because normally when you are doing this, it's always advisable to take backup in case just in case anything goes wrong. But since you are trying to solve an issue, you are trying to fix something. Because if you take a backup, it will take the backup of that issue. So just leave it at this. Then select everything. So everything should be selected. And once everything is selected, I run. And it doesn't actually even take any time at all. It just cleans up everything and should be done. But this optimized database, sometimes it can take long if you have a lot of things on your site. If you have done a lot of things on your site, that might take long in a way. So you can just wait for it to finish. And you can always move around. It's not like as if you cannot exit that. Just don't leave this page. And it's done already. So that is the major thing this plugin does. Let me just run through other things the plugin can do. If I go to the optimization settings, I can choose if I want to be keeping some data or keeping some revision. In case you want to go back, let's say you created a page, you have done some edits, but you now want to go back. So like the history, this can yeah, it can help you keep that history instead of clearing it. Same thing for post revisions, the same thing. Then the optimization I just did, you can schedule it. So if let's say you want to schedule this optimization daily or weekly or fortnightly, monthly, anyhow you want to do it. I prefer weekly. So you can select everything you want and remove some. Yes. So every week it will run it automatically without even you having to come to do it yourself. Then some other things you can do is image compression, then catching, depending on how you call it. Then there's actual preload. There are a lot of things this plugin can do actually. And that's basically it on WP Optimize. So this plugin is your go-to or should be your go-to plugin to just help you remove clutter on your site when you have done so many things. So if you found this video useful, consider subscribing.